Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales. Taking a look today at a 2027 Transcend 325Bht. Love this floor plan. It's great for a family to get out on the road. It's certainly towable, but it's also big enough that you're able to get this set up on a seasonal lot and have all kinds of room on the inside. We'll head inside in a minute. I want to start off on the business side of the coach though. Show you this cool feature here. You like to winterize your unit and keep it simple. You can do it yourself here. You just dump your antifreeze into this reservoir and you turn on your switch here, run your pump, and it's going to automatically do your winterization for you, which is a nice simplicity feature for the do-it-yourselfers. You've got a nice pass-through storage here too. You can see the table mounted above. That's nice and convenient because when you get to the campground, you can pull that table out and set it up, and as you take things out of your indoor or front compartment storage, you can set things on it. Off in the distance there too, you can see the laundry chute. That's going to come out of the bedroom, and you can grab that baggage drawer on the other side to unload that and take your laundry down to the campground laundry and get yourself all freshened up and ready to go. Power tongue jack, of course, makes things nice and convenient to get it on and off the back of your unit when you're traveling. Take a look at the campsite now. Get the awning out on this one. Beautiful LED strip light underneath. You get dual entry on this coach. Solid steps on both doors. You've got an outside kitchen. You've got a little pull-out grill here, some storage. Nice convenient plug here. And of course a small campus fridge as well to make sure you can easily access your beverages. Here you see the Fagati on-demand water heater. It's going to make it nice and easy for you to get the longer showers that you may want to take on those Sunday mornings when you need a little more time to yourself. Got a laundry rack on the back of the unit too, so this is a nice feature. You're able to get a few things out in the back, hang up a bathing suit, a couple towels, that sort of thing right outside and let the sun do its thing to help you with your laundry. Nice thoughtful feature from our friends at Grand Design. You've also got the backup camera all plumbed in and ready to go, and a mount for your lippert ladder if you'd like to get a little bit more access to your roof. Spare tire on the back rounds things out. Again, take a look at that nice big awning. It's going to give you some nice campsite vibes. And my favorite feature in any family coach is the ability to get right into the bathroom from the campsite. So if you're out enjoying a fire and a couple beverages with the family, you can just get right into the bathroom without going all the way through the coach. All that said, let's head inside and take a look at some of the inside features. Again, I mentioned it's a family camper, so you've got all kinds of sleeping space. We've ordered this one with the entertainment seats. That's right across from the TV. Nice power recliners make it nice and convenient and cozy for mom and dad to get in and enjoy themselves once the kids go to bed. If you do have some extra sleeping needs, you've got a full U-shaped dinette here that's going to drop down and give you a full double bed and a nice booth-style table if you're having family game night or you're stuck inside on a rainy day and need to find someplace comfortable to eat. Take a look at the kitchen. You've got the French-style doors on the fridge, full-size freezer drawer underneath. They've gotten away in some of the coaches with pulling out the oven because a lot of people just frankly don't use them. So you have extra storage here, which is a nice feature. Always looking for more places to store things in the Grand Design. You can see those nice gold handles and the nice off-white finish here on everything as well. Microwave above, TV again located right across from your entertainment chairs. One of the features I really enjoy is the hidden garbage can. Saves you having to put it out here and tie up some of your floor space. You've got the secondary space here too for a coffee bar, margarita bar, that sort of thing. And more storage, of course, is going to give you a lot of extra options. Take a look at the main bedroom here. You've got a sliding pocket door here, so a nice wide entryway. The pocket door is going to give you some extra floor space as well. Still give you that privacy when it's time for bed. You can see the nice storage all around on this unit. Windows on either side. And you've got the little storage nooks in behind, so you've got full power, both to charge a phone and for your standard plugs as well, all tucked in behind your wardrobe. As we head to the back, you've got another spot here, which is really convenient to have. You can set this up for more storage. You could use it as, if you're having a family stay in the back, you can have them store some of their stuff here. Again, a secondary spot to plug in an appliance of some sort as you head by. Too, you've also got some hooks here to hang a few things. Just little convenience features that we see in the Grand Design. Take a look at the bathroom here. We mentioned you've got a direct entryway from the campsite into the unit, which is, again, very convenient. But a good-sized bathroom here. The layout gives you enough room to get in here and turn around a little bit. You've got some storage here for some linens, full-size shower, foot flush toilet, and a good-sized sink with a corner medicine cabinet. Again, the sliding pocket door is going to give you some extra floor space as well. Heading into the bunk room, you do have a pull-out couch here on the right. That is a snap-down bunk on the right, so there's some sleeping here for two. on the pull-out couch. You can put one more up here. Then you get a couple bunks over here too, depending on the size of the folks along with you on your travels. You have all kinds of sleeping space in this unit throughout, and the window here really opens things up, makes it nice and fresh, and gives you lots of floor space with that slide out. Folks, this has been a quick look at a brand new Transcend 325Bht here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis. Come on in and see us, folks. We got new units arriving daily, as well as some great pre-owned opportunities. This is Jason from Leisure Time Sales reminding you that from the showroom to the campground, I've got you covered.